North America, Canada, USA, Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, don't forget the Caribbean, Cuba, Jamaica, and South America, Peru, Brazil, Argentina, Africa, Morocco's in the northwest, Egypt in the northeast, Eritrea's on the Horn of Africa, Kenya in the central east, Cameroon central west, in the South Africa, then there's Madagascar, Europe, Ireland, England, Finland, France, Portugal, Spain, Italy, Greece, now 3 from the east, Poland, Slovakia, the Czech Republic, in the area of the Middle East, Turkey, Israel, Jordan, Iraq, Iran, and Kuwait, and Saudi Arabia, that's the region of Mesopotamia. Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Bhutan, Nepal, Mongolia, China, Japan, North and South Korea, and of course there's Russia. These are some of the countries of Asia. Now for some in Southeast Asia, Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Papua New Guinea, Australia, New Zealand, is Europe,